Making your own liquid fertilizer at home is easier than most people think, and it gives your plants a real boost in a very short time. The best part is, it's made from simple, natural ingredients that you can usually find in your kitchen or garden. Everything in this mixture has a purpose, and together they create something that your plants will love. The first step is the banana peels. Just take a few, cut them into small pieces, and toss them into a juicer with a little water. Blend them well. This isn't just for fun. Banana peels are packed with potassium, which helps your plants grow strong stems, produce more flowers, and stay healthy under stress. They also contain small amounts of calcium and magnesium, which are essential for root development and overall plant growth. By turning the peels into a juice, you're making these nutrients easier for your plants to absorb. It's like giving your plants a little concentrated energy drink. Once the banana peel juice is ready, pour it into a bucket of water. If you can use rainwater, that's even better. Rainwater is naturally soft and free of chemicals, like chlorine, that can be in tap water. This makes it easier for your plants to absorb the nutrients. Plus, the water helps distribute the banana peel juice evenly, so every part of the soil gets a bit of nutrition. Next comes the molasses. Add a few tablespoons of it to the mixture. Molasses might be thick, especially if it's cold or if the weather is chilly, but don't worry, this is normal. Molasses is full of natural sugars and trace minerals. And those sugars feed the beneficial microbes in your fertilizer. These microbes are tiny helpers that break down all the ingredients into forms that plants can use quickly. So basically, molasses helps your fertilizer come alive by boosting the microbe population. The more microbes you have, the richer your fertilizer becomes. After the molasses, it's time to add fully decomposed manure. This is one of the most important ingredients because it brings nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and a bunch of other nutrients into the mix. Decomposed manure is gentle on plants, unlike fresh manure, which can be too strong. It also adds beneficial microbes, helps the mixture ferment properly, and increases the organic content. This makes your soil healthier, your roots stronger, and your plants greener. Then add a few tablespoons of rock phosphate powder. This ingredient is rich in phosphorus, which is essential for root growth, flowering, and fruit development. Phosphorus in rock. Phosphate breaks down slowly, but because of the microbes from the molasses and manure, it becomes more available to your plants faster than it would in plain soil. So it gives your plants long-term benefits while also helping them grow strong roots and bloom better. Once all the ingredients are in, mix everything together and cover the bucket. Let it sit for a week or two. This is the fermentation stage, and it's when the magic happens. The microbes break down the banana peels, manure, and phosphate, creating a nutrient-rich liquid. After 7 days, you'll notice the color has changed. It will look darker and richer, which is a good sign that the fertilizer is ready. When it comes to using your liquid fertilizer, there are a couple of ways to do it. You can dilute it by mixing 1 part fertilizer with 10 parts water. This is a safe option for young or sensitive plants and still gives them a good nutrient boost. The other way is to give small amounts directly to each plant, especially for bigger plants or those that need a quick lift. Because the mixture is natural and full of microbes, even a little goes a long way. Every ingredient in this fertilizer has a role. Banana peels give potassium, calcium, and magnesium. Molasses feeds microbes and adds trace minerals. Decomposed manure adds essential nutrients and improves soil health. Rock phosphate provides phosphorus for strong roots and flowers. Together, they make a liquid fertilizer that works fast, strengthens plants, improves soil, and encourages healthy growth. Making it is simple, using natural ingredients, but the results are impressive. With just a little effort, you can give your plants a powerful natural boost that helps them thrive.